Belgium allows pharmacies to sell rapid COVID-19 test kits, which can also be used by people without medical expertise at home. The UK, Germany and Austria have allowed this product at pharmacies since the beginning of last month. The self-testing kit sells for €7.5.
Dans les kits,
This test kit consists of a nasal swab, which must be inserted in both sides of the nose. The nasal swab is then put into a test tube for a few moments. Then 4 drops of the solution are added to the test stick. Results appear after 15 to 13 minutes.
4 gouttes de l'échantillon qui provient du nez.
This is an indirect test with an accuracy of only about 80%. In fact, the instructions say that if the result is negative, the test is not yet able to confirm whether the user is infected with COVID-19. If the result is positive, the users must take PCR tests again to confirm.
She told me that it was very simple to use and is similar to a pregnancy test. But I have never used a pregnancy test before. I just remember, if it's only one line, I'm good.
Service businesses are very interested in rapid self-testing. A restaurant or taxi company can now make sure that their employees are tested before going to work. The Belgian government has said that the test kits may expand to supermarkets after 1 week.